Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson, and today we're going to be showing you how to quickly and easily purchase XRP on the Coinbase exchange. On the day the SEC ruling came down, XRP's value doubled, and anybody who had tokens in at that time saw an end over end return on their investment that day. Now, it has not yet reached all time highs. It is expected to go past that now that it is being listed once again on Coinbase. And this is how you purchase those XRP tokens using Coinbase. First and foremost, you're going to log into your Coinbase account, and on your homepage, it's pretty much self explanatory. You're going to scroll over to the buy and sell button, click it, and you're going to select your token by clicking that and selecting XRP. You can also select what you're going to use to pay with right here. So by clicking on that, we're going to use PayPal, and we're going to say about $10 worth. We're going to preview to buy now, and just like that, you are done. The relisting of XRP on Coinbase has some major advantages. Although I've used a lot of Uphold trying to get these tokens into my wallet, it never hurts to have multiple wallets open. And it's just something you want to keep in mind. Purchasing on Coinbase is simply brand recognition. Not a lot of people use Uphold as in comparison to the exchanges that are out there. Coinbase has been the granddaddy for a long time. Um, Although the two exchanges offer vastly different offerings, in some cases, the type of cryptocurrency that you want to buy may be on one network or versus the other, but you do your due diligence. There are also differences in fees and how they're collected. I think Coinbase kind of edges out most of the others with their low fees and their simple accessibility to things like PayPal. Although something like an Uphold, whereas another avenue where you can purchase your XRP uses Google Pay or your debit card, just as many of the others do. But with Coinbase, it's PayPal, it's cash on hand, wire transfers that they usually take 3 to 5 days. I typically want to use really fast ins and outs. You can easily move your funds from Coinbase to a PayPal account, which therefore links to multiple bank accounts of yours if you want to use it as a quick way to liquidate your cryptocurrencies. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and leave them on the bottom of the section here in the discussion section down below. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We really appreciate you, and talk to you very, very soon.